Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to restore your deleted conversation in Messenger. So to retrieve your deleted messages on Messenger, there's only one way you can do it, and that is going to be by downloading your Facebook data via your settings. So simply go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you've done that, you want to click on the triple dot on your top left and click on settings. This is my page, so I'm just going to go ahead and change it to my account. And then now you want to click on the top left triple dot icon. This is where you want to go down to settings and privacy, and this is where you want to click on settings. Finally, click on account center, and this is where you want to tap on your information, export information, and simply go ahead and click on create export. And you can actually go ahead and select your Facebook and then export to device. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on customize information and just have the messages enabled, and everything else can go. So it is as simple as that. Click on create export and it will be downloaded. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. For more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.